watch the middle screen as I shine the light on. Okay, see it? See it? There probably was a scratch there, and someone at the factory or at the dealership tried to polish it out, but they didn't refine it further, so we left this sandy mark. Alright, so I'm not sure if you can see, but the DS sandy mark is right here. Okay. So we're using the Zen tool as usual, and the 3-inch Rupert Green polishing pad. Okay, we're using optimum polish on there. So this is how big the affected area is after polishing. That's why I use a 3-inch rather than a 5 or 6-inch. You don't want the area that big when you only need that big. Okay. Now let's wipe it off and see what happens. And the sandy mark is completely removed. Hope that was a good video and you guys liked it. It just shows you how important it is to have different sizes combinations available for you to use, and especially on a small spot there's no need to use a 5 or 6-inch pad when a 3-inch and a 4-inch pad is more than sufficient for the job. Thanks.